Hi guys, welcome back to another AI marketing video with us at Passive Money. Just first of all, if you could subscribe to our channel and like this video, if you do like it at the end, of course, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to our channel and join the Discord so you can ask us any questions whenever. So basically, getting into this video, what we're going to be talking about is this new account that we've set up. We've put 1268 US. I know it's a bit of a weird number. We put an even number of Australian dollars in, and then obviously fees and whatnot got taken out, and that's the US number that we were given. So basically, what I'm going to show you is this is what it's going to look like once it has gone from the ads budget at the top left of the original screen, and then it would transfer into advertising budget on this screen. You're obviously going to have start off with zero cashback, zero profit, and all that. So what we're going to be testing on this account is immediately how much it's spending each day. Can we predict it with our graph, which we'll show you, and some other predictions that we have for this specific account. So just to show you, there are zero sales and no other stats to do with this account. We have used the gift certificate, so if you go transfer, which is withdraw, you see that we have to give this gift certificate back, although we will be making money with it more than what this is worth, so it obviously is worth using it, especially if you just want to use the 50 to see how this whole thing works. That's a perfect way to do it. Again, you can find out how to do that in our Discord chat. So coming back to stats, actually this is the main page because we haven't actually done any sales. The stats page will look like this. So if we go to Microsoft Excel, you can see that today's the 7th of September that we're doing this. This is our ads budget. And what we've done is we've predicted an ad spending for this account. So if I go back to Google Chrome, this is the graph that we use for our predictions at the moment. It's fairly close. Obviously, we don't have that many samples of accounts, just ones we've seen, family, friends, or other ones that we've seen online that I've plugged into this to get this data. It's close. It's honestly not super accurate. So what we're going to do is try and predict what we're going to get and then go from there. So if we go along here to 1268, I believe it was, you can see that it's about 2.164 or 65% will be used in the cash back. So if we go into here, what I've done, what you could do is 0.02165 times by your ad budget, and that will give you roughly this number. I think we didn't round out the decimal before when we actually did this, so that's a more accurate number. We'll leave this for now. The way that we predicted our cashback was this number 2.09 times by our predicted ad spending. We're probably not going to achieve this straight away, but this is the current ratio of cashback to predicted ad spending that we're receiving on our other accounts. So that's why we've gone with this. So we're predicting a profit of $29.91 per day on average. And yeah, so we're going to come back in a few days just to see how it's going. First of all, I'll be very interested. Obviously, the cashback and profit's going to take a little bit to work out and see if it's actually doing that. But it all depends on the ad spending. So if this ad spending is similar, I'll be very happy. I'll know that the formula is roughly correct. So hopefully it's within sort of 5% or less with this. But other than that, yeah, as I said, this is the account, and please make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel. We're very new, and we've got the Discord where you can ask any questions also, so don't be afraid to join that and go for it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.